on the way back. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing good in the motherfucking neighborhood. I hope, I don't know, I hope you're just having a good ass day in this motherfucking hot ass weather. The fucking sun is orange. Some shit is going on. We're going to fucking hell. It's fucking over. And then yesterday, huh, Sofia, the moon was yellow? Lelo. Like the sun. Okay, so first let me give my little shout outs porque luego se me olvida. So shout out to Moses and Cindy from San Antonio. You know what I'm saying? Sexy ass couple. They like little old me. Also Alejandra Vargas from Los Angeles. She actually sent me a sweet message. She said that her mom actually died when she was 13, so she didn't teach her how to cook. So she went to college and, you know, she kind of learned how to cook because she had to fucking survive. But bitch, she got in the motherfucking program and burned motherfucking Martinez. O sea, yo. She's learning, and that makes me feel special, like I'm doing something fucking good, you know? Like, losing your mom at 13 is fucked up. So, you know, in a way, I feel like her, like, I'm helping her out to motherfucking fuck it up in the kitchen. So anyways, today is the motherfucking birds. What the fuck did we call it, Mario? It's a meetup. Mario refused to call it the motherfucking
Last minute
meet and greet porque tiene miedo que no llegaba nadie. Pero aquí estamos, güeyes, aquí estamos. You know, I'm so excited. I got your bitch, I'm dick in the hole when I ride it. Y ya llegamos, güey, ya llegamos. Yay, finally.
It's the last minute meet and greet.
Hey, Mario, ya les dijiste como 10 veces. No importa, es que si nobody's gonna, si nadie viene, ¿qué importa? We like it anyways, we like to walk around. So yeah, ese Mario, no seas tan penoso. Chingue su madre. Sofía la tortilla, ¿cómo estás? Siempre peinándote tú. Sofía, why you always combing your hair? But when we go out somewhere, your hair is like todo, like crazy. It's like, it doesn't make sense. Estás siempre bien pinche greñuda. But anyways, ya llegamos, güey. Marvelous Mandy, are you doing touch-ups? Barrios, sí, Yonkis, no. I mean, my little Mario's with my sister. My sister came with us too. Finally, I convinced her. No quería venir.
They're waiting for you.
Me van a esperar. ¿Qué pasó, mami?
I did.
You convinced? Oh yeah, because we're at Walmart. Oh, they saw each other at Walmart, and yeah, we're here, bitch. We are here. Ay, güey, llegamos. Ay, güey. No mames, güey. No mames. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? ¿Qué vamos a hacer? We're gonna set up. We don't even know. We don't even have a DJ, Mario. We're supposed to have a DJ.
Oh, we do.
I'm a DJ.
It's the Sophia's boombox.
Oh yeah, we got a little boombox. Wait, let's wait for my sister. Ya llegamos, putos.
Sophia too. She's part of the bird gang.
Oh, so here were the first people that got here. Woohoo!
We didn't even get their name.
Nancy. Nancy?
Okay,
ready?
What's your name?
Araceli.
Araceli.
Woo! And they brought their chorizo.
Okay, look over here.
Their chorizo. Yeah. Okay.
Do your sign.
Oh, cheese. Woo.
Okay, one more.
One more.
All right.
Hey, were you taking a picture? Did you take a picture?
Mr. Motherfucking JD Hawk is in the motherfucking house, bitch. Yes, so Mama Hawk killed your son. He sent him home with some salsa. He's gonna cook now. He's gonna be Mexican as fuck. Yeah.
Absolutely. How do you say it? Mira.
Mira que chulada.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We got people right here. What's your name?
Jim.
Jim
Yeah.
and Gabby that came and got some salsas. Thank you very mucho. I keep it entertained. They said I need my own reality show, so you motherfuckers here and out there, just give him fucking reality show. I already need it. Thank you very mucho.
Very welcome.
Now let's go see the carusha. Yes. Mira que chula. Yo, she got it. She got it. Yes. A ver, ahora sé. It's bird gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Hey, that's what's up. You got it. Thank you. Yeah, but then it's okay. So we are here with Alfonso. My neighbor from San Diego, motherfuckers. He doesn't want to be recorded. He doesn't want to be tracked. He doesn't want none of that shit. But when he's here, he's fucking exposed. So whoever's looking for him, aquí está. He's an hour late, though. He lied to me. I'm gonna be there at 5. Que chingue su padre, pero no, yo me está del cabrón. No, thank you. I'm happy he came. Bitch. So I got the cash cocktails right here from Chris Johnson. He got the motherfucking mira que chulada. Yes, that's marketing. We got their gorgeous son right here, looking like his mama and his papi también. The motherfucking remix, the perfect remix. He gets offended porque mira, parecen twins, mira. Pero te digo. Anyways, aquí están estos. Check them out. And it comes with boozy gummies, chamoy tajín, cash cocktails, podrés. Ándale, Mario, también ya se metió al este. And it comes with, you said a word. It was a word that you said. Garnish. Yeah, garnish. Thank you very mucho. The enhancements of the food. Don't wanna be by my motherfucking self. Ya vamos a la chingada. There's a lot of noise. But anyways, we just left my makeup fucked up because I was crying. I was literally right here looking at the pictures of all the people that came to see me and just thinking like, oh, how much they were telling me, oh, how they started watching you and how I make them laugh. And I was losing my shit. Let's keep it motherfucking real. I was crying by myself, like, by myself. The guy next to me probably thinks I'm bipolar because, like, 5 seconds ago, I was crying. He was staring at me, and now I'm like fucking singing. I'm a fucking whole crackhead. But seriously, the people that came, big. We are like super hungry because we had breakfast. Then we went to the gas station, ate a hot dog, and then we did our, get together. And now we're hungry. And somebody on my Facebook told me, I think his name is Paul. I went to kindergarten with him. I don't think he watches my shit, but he gets his motherfucking his little shout out porque me dijo, I've been to Tacos El Gordo in Tijuana, and then I went to Tacos El Gordo in, I think, I don't know, it was another place, but it was like over here, and it wasn't the same. So now, bitch, I'm gonna try the San Diego Tacos El motherfucking Gordo, which are fucking bomb skis, by the way. The wait is so fucking long, like longer than my fucking asshole. No, I think my asshole's short. So yeah, my family members are waiting for me outside. I'm the only one that's in here. So yeah, we're excited. We're gonna sleep in a hotel because it's Labor weekend, or well, I don't know, it's some weekend. And my mom is actually gonna sleep with us in a hotel room, and I'm so excited. Look at that meat though. I'll do a voiceover later. ¿Listo? Vean, ¿no le da calor? Por la máscara, ¿verdad? I'm here saying that he's a dick. So, it took an hour to get our tacos. I hope they are worth it. My sister got 10 al pastor. No es cierto. She got 1. Can you believe her ass? She got 1 fucking al pastor. But I guess tomorrow she's gonna go with her chorizo to eat. She doesn't want to cheat on him. So I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know. Bitch. Putas motherfucking sucias. Bitch, so this is what Alfonso and his mommy gave me. Doña Maria Cecilia. They gave us little box of goodies. This for baby Mario. He already played with the ¿cómo se llama? The little water guns. Got water guns last night at the hotel. But bitch, look at this. They gave me lemon thingies.
Chulada.
Mira que chulada for the ¿cómo se llama? For the sal and black pepper. And Alfonso, he stayed there like a long time with us, huh? And at the end, and then he took water for the homeless. Thought that was cool. Bájale esa puta tele, que no estoy grabando. No respeto. Y le dio peanuts también a los homeless. And this one you can hang it. Isn't that cool? That's awesome. And it's made in Mexico, Mario. It's heavy. Yes. ¿Qué? ¿Estás muerto?
No, so you can hit me.
¿Para darte unos vergazos? ¿Unos mergazos? Yeah, this is good for you. Anyways, so Mario and Mandy and Sofía are doing inventory. Pinche inventory para la chingada que se cargan. No es cierto. You're doing a good job. This bag right here is a ropa sucia. Every time we go somewhere, I swear that's the thing that we get the most. Ropa sucia. And then, aquí está el little toy que también nos dieron. Sofía, la tortilla, ¿sí te gustaron?
Yes, I thank you.
¿Cómo se dice?
Ugly dog.
Gracias.
Oh, gracias.
Gra.
Gracias.
A todos los que vinieron.
I do this one in the middle.
A todos los que dijeron que yo era una niña bonita.
Hola,
Niña bonita.
niña bonita.
Y todos los que dijeron, ay, Sofía, la tortilla, we love you.
Gracias.
Oh, gracias, and thank you for being friendly, Sofía. Mira qué bonita te ves when you're a good person. Yeah, those are her toys.
She was giving out stickers.
Oh yeah, she was giving out stickers. She was like selling the salsa, like, oh, this is the salsa. ¿Qué pasó?
Remember I showed it to more all by myself?
She was like, look, this chamoy es tamarindo, this chamoy is jamaica. You know, she was like, ¿cómo se dice? Telling you, oh, you should buy this. She even told the girl, oh, you should, and the girl took like 3 salsas.
Oh.
¿Qué pasó?
And then I said that she had lipstick in her teeth.
Oh yeah, she told her she had lipstick on her teeth. Because a lot of people will see you talking with lipstick on their teeth, on your teeth, and they won't tell you nothing. And Sofía wasn't being rude. She was just like, you wanted to look pretty, huh? Yes. And you like her little son? He was cute, huh? Yeah. I'm not like cute, like, oh my God, you want to marry him. Like cute, like, oh, he was cute, like cool, like you.
Yeah.
Ay, Sofía, ya te quieres que te voy a casar con alguien. So aquí está mi Mario al chorizo. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God now that I finally found you. Bitch. So I just want to thank everybody that came. You know what I'm saying? I know some people are like, oh, well, why don't you have more people? Whoop-de whoop whoop. Bitch, I literally was like my heart was so happy. Like, look, this is what happened. So my mom went with me because I asked her, please go with me. She's gonna have like a procedure done this week on Thursday. So they told her not to go out because of the coronavirus or whatever. So she still went. She still supported. My sister went with us in her car with my sister, my siblings. It was fucking awesome. So we went, drove there in this fucking heat. It was like 111. Mario, Mandy, Sofía, they all helped me get everything in the car. You know, we drove, we got there. Getting there was already ladies there. Fucking loved me. They fucking loved me, and I was so grateful. I was like, bitch, motherfuckers love me. We get there. I think, what is her name? Nancy or Esmeralda. Las dos señoras chuladas, you know. They one of them told me to sign her apron. It was so magical because she said her sister always wanted to be a lunch lady, but her sister passed away. So, you know, she did it herself. She applied, and now she's a lunch lady. And actually, I've always, like, you know, one time, fucking shut the fuck up. Sarah's never gonna come out, little girl. That little girl's always, Sarah, like, leave her alone. So anyways, when Sofía was a little girl, she always wanted me to be the lunch lady because she told me how the food from school was trash. And she's like, Mommy, what if you become the lunch lady? And she wanted me to apply, but then life happened, and I'm doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? But I swear, if I could be the motherfucking lunch lady of the motherfucking world, I would be like, yes, queen. I would motivate the kids. I would do my own remix. But I know in schools they have like their kids, you can't like give them like chile or motherfucking salsa or shit like that. But anyways, so her sister passed away, and you know, in her sister's honor, she wanted to become a lunch lady. So that's what she did, and I think that was beautiful, and it touched my heart. All of you motherfuckers touched my heart. Chris Johnson and his wife, you know, señor with the lowrider, he let me get on his lowrider. It was such a beautiful experience. I don't care. I'd rather have like sit down and have conversations with real ass people than have like 100 people and not even get to talk to them. I just had the best fucking time of my life. And then my mom was right there, and she was watching me. Oh, bitch, I could die. She was like in the other bench, and she was watching me. And then when we finished, like, oh, I'm so proud of you. And I'm like, mommy, don't make me cry. I'm a little bitch. I'm such a little bitch. Like, you guys don't even know. I cry, but I cry for like I don't cry for like, como se dice, like a big thing. I cry for like a little, you know, the little things. I'm a little bitch. I'm a little bitch, and I don't care. I do cry. And my always tell me, why you always have to cry? And I'm like, this is who I am. I'm so fucking sensitive, and you're not even sensitive. You're like a evil ice person. No, he's not an ice person. He's just like so like cold in the heart. But anyways, I love all of you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the motherfucking love. Thank you for the motherfucking hate. Sophia's always watching me. Sofia la tortilla.
¿Cómo estás?
Thank you for the motherfucking love. Thank you for the motherfucking hate. Shout out to all my bird gang motherfuckers. Peace and motherfucking love. Mandy's not here because since we had like a long car ride, she feels a little musty. A little crusty. Pero aquí estamos.
Yes, we're here.